How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up static routing configuration in Cisco Packet Tracer. Now, basically, to get started and to make this quick, we are going to add two routers right here, and then we are going to add two switches. So the first thing that you want to do is to just connect all of your devices. For this one, we are going to use the Gigabit Ethernet 000 and then connect it with our switch. So we are using the gigabit connection since it supports both devices easier. And then for the second connection, we are going to use this broken line right here. And then now you want to connect both of your router. It's as simple as navigating through the device itself. Click on configure, and then you could just type your IP address. In my case, it's going to be 192.168.1.1. So this is going to be our first one. And to set our second connection, which will navigate through this switch itself, it's going to be the gigabit 001, or depending on the connection that you have made. So once again, let's navigate through the connection right here. And you also want to make sure that they are turned on. And with this one, we could do something like 192.168.2.1. Hit on enter. And basically, you want to do the same thing for this one. But for the second router, we are just going to modify it a bit, where we are going to replace the other end with an additional number. So just +1. And for the second one, let's do the same thing. But since we already used 192.168.1 or .2.1, which is basically going to be this one, we are now going to use 192.168.3.1. So I'm sorry if it's a bit confusing, but you can just follow along my lead right here. We can then turn this on, and with this one, we're going to open up another IP address. As you can see, everything is turning green, meaning we have successful connection. So if we do something like add our computers right here, so in my case, I'm going to be adding multiple, and then we are going to add our connection, fast Ethernet to fast Ethernet. Same thing with this one. But right now, since we are using the connection called the 0.1.2, which is going to be this one, we are then going to enter it and modify it a bit for our computers. So let's click on desktop, IP configuration, and then we have fast Ethernet 1. And then once again, you can just modify this into something like .2.2. For our third computer, we are going to make this .2.3, since this is our third computer. And you could just do the same thing for this one. But if we try pinging it or sending a message to each computer, we can see that it has been successfully sent. So I'm sorry once again if it's a bit confusing, but generally that's how you adjust this IP addresses right here, where you start with the lowest number and then you go on and so forth. Since we are using the configuration for .2.1, we are using .2.3 for our computers. You could just do the same thing for this other one right here. And the way that you could connect your router is just naming them or adding them into that particular IP address. So in this one, we are using the 0.1.1. So the second one should be 0.1.2. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.